So this, I think, is going to be the last video of this year that I will be publishing. So the next video will come in the next year, 2025. So Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to all of you. I will take a break for maybe 1 or 2 weeks of January. It's the holiday season. So Happy New Year again. And maybe after first week of January or mid January, I will come back with videos. Okay. So in this video, I will reject 8 stocks. So I have added this filter here. I've got 67 stocks that showed up in this filter. Out of these 67, I just had a brief look at all of them already before making the video. And 8 stocks looked good to me looking at the chart and things like that. But eventually I ended up rejecting those stocks when I dug into the details. So I want to show you how I reject stocks. Okay, so eight examples in this video. So watch carefully because each stock there is a different reason for rejection. I have always said in my videos that your ability to reject stocks is more important than your ability to select stocks. If you go back to my YouTube channel and watch some previous videos where I rejected stocks and then you check the stock price today, you will understand that most of those decisions were right. Okay. And even this video, I'm recording this video on 22nd of December, which is a Sunday. This video will probably get published on 27th or 28th, which is a Friday. So whichever stocks I am rejecting here, you can go back and check the price out of these 8 stocks, which one worked, which one did not work, what happened to these stocks after I rejected them. Now, some of these 8 stocks could break out, some of them may fail altogether, but you can check what happens. Okay. Based on current data that I see, I am rejecting these stocks. Okay. So, your goal from this video is to identify what factors I am using to reject stocks. Okay. And use the same method to reject stocks. For every one stock we select, or for every one stock that we buy, we must reject at least 100 stocks. Okay. That has worked. That has worked in the past and it will always work in the future. Okay. So first is Alembic, this one. So have a look at this. See, there is a nice base formation here. Now, if you see the current closing price, it has closed 4% below. And this is the buy point. Okay, so it's the distance between the current closing price and the buy point here is easily more than 5%. So that's my basic rule. It's violating that. So that is one reason I will reject the stock. I will not even look at the numbers. See, poor relative strength, the decline in EPS from 2022 to 2023. Two reasons are enough to reject the stock. Poor industry group rank. I mean, I'm done. By the time I look at these numbers, I don't even spend another fraction of a second to reject the stock. So see, 4% down in a single day. Distance between the buy point and the current closing price is more than 5% out. This stock not even worth looking at. Okay. Then next, Blue Star. Blue Star is an air conditioning company, right? So again, 3.25% drop in a single day. And you see the distance between the buy price, somewhere here is the buy price and the current closing price, easily more than 5% because 3.25% is down in a single day, right? Then you look at some numbers, 28% EPS growth latest quarter, very poor, declined by 1/3 from the June quarter. Poor relative strength. You see annual EPS has actually declined from 2023 to 2024. That's it. Finished. No need to spend even a fraction of a second more on this stock. It's so easy to reject stocks, you know. Then Genesys. See, you should be rejecting stocks within seconds. Look at this chart. Okay. There's nothing on this chart. I mean, no base formation, no VCP. Okay. At least in this base, there was something. In this base, there was something. But here, the base formation is not there. Okay, poor base formation. EPS sales growth looks good. Comparatives look good. And the, what do you say, the annual EPS, consecutive 3 years, it has gone up. All of this looks good. Return on equity is poor. Margin is very erratic. Okay, if you see -3, -4, -65, -30, 33, and suddenly 8 and 10. It's very erratic the way the stock is showing. But my primary reason to reject the stock is the setup itself. It doesn't look like a proper consolidation pattern. Okay, so let's go to Genesys. In trading view, it looks better. Okay, so have a look at this. This is point 1. Okay, I have drawn this base for you. This is point 2, this is point 3, point 4, and point 5. Okay, there is nothing in this. Do you think this is tightness? No, you want to see more tightness in the base. So if I draw the path for you, so from here to here, something like this, then something like this. If it looked like this, maybe I would have bought the stock, but this, it doesn't look convincing. Okay, that's not a proper VCP setup, which was discussed in by Mark Minervini in Trade like a stock market wizard. And one day it has gone down almost 3%. So reject. Okay. The setup needs to look good. Okay. Then Indraprastha. Yeah, Indraprastha Medico. See, less than 10 candles in the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So less than 10 candles in the base. EPS growth not convincing, sales growth not convincing, declining sales growth previous 3 quarters. Comparatives look good. The annual EPS looks good. Return on equity looks good, but technically is not enough. Uh, Technically not enough convincing. The setup is not convincing. So if I go to Indraprastha Medical Corporation, see, looks, the base looks tight, but see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need minimum 10 candles in the base. Okay. And major reason is 57, 47, 29. So we need accelerating EPS growth. We don't want decelerating EPS growth. So that is one reason the stock is out. I am looking for stocks which show leadership characteristics. Okay. And this stock doesn't show characteristics of a leader. So it's out. Then you have Sudarshan Chemical. See, some stocks I am rejecting based on technical factors. Some stock I am rejecting based on fundamental or comparative factors. Have a look at this Sudarshan Chemical drop from 18 to 6. That's a complete rejection. Okay. Earnings are erratic 2000% to 65%. Minimum sales growth that we need is 25% or accelerating for the past 3 quarters, not met. I will not even waste my time looking at the chart because these numbers itself are not convincing. See, group rank 87, very poor. Group rank earning stability 63, very poor. Okay. So reject. I mean, don't waste too much time on such stocks. Look for stocks that are so obvious. Okay, TD Power. Have a look at TD Power. Annual EPS looks fine. Group rank is a problem. Relative strength is a problem. EPS growth not more than 40%. That's a problem. Sales growth not more than 25%. That's a problem. I mean, why do you even need to look at the chart? Okay, reject. Next is Triveni Turbine. You see how easy it is to reject stock, especially when the market is not in a confirmed uptrend. There's nothing to buy. Okay. See Triveni Turbine, I think there is a falling window here. That itself is a complete reject. Yeah, you see, let me remove. Yeah. You see the low of this candle is 814.50. High of this candle is 811.90. Yeah. Low of this candle is 814.50. High of this candle is 811.90. Between these two candles, if you see, there is a falling window. So complete reject. Let the window close and then we'll see what to do. No matter what the fundamentals, I'm not interested in the stock. Then you have Wonder Electricals. See, every stock, there is some problem in every stock. Okay, 95 relative strength. Look at this tightness, but look at that base formation. Wonder Electricals. Have a look at this. This has already gone past this. So this is where the base formation begins. One, two, three, four, five, six. Only six candles in the base. Not interested. Okay, and a lot of upper shadows here. So nothing convincing. So I won't even bother looking at the numbers. All of this looks fine. EPS growth 500%, 95 relative strength. This increasing annual EPS. Sorry, annual EPS has declined from 2022 to 2023. That's a big no. Okay, we want some positive growth in EPS in each of the past 3 years. So that's it. 8 stocks rejected. Now, since I'm making the video, it is taking me time to explain everything. But when I'm doing it in real time, I'm rejecting like in 1 or 2 seconds. I'm rejecting the stock. Okay, I don't even need to open this window. When I click here, this window opens. Okay, I don't even do that these days because it's so obvious that you reject that stock. Why do you want to waste time opening new windows? Okay, so happy new year again, merry Christmas again. I will take a break for about 2 weeks. Okay, maybe after 15th of January I will start making videos again, or maybe after first week of January, whenever I get the time I will start making videos again. Okay. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the new year. Have a fantastic time and gratitude. There should be gratitude in your heart that you had this year. Okay. God gave you that, 2024. A lot of people passed away in this year, but you survived. Okay. Fantastic. Life itself is a gift. So enjoy, and then we'll come back to trading again. Trading is our passion. Trading is everything. We eat, drink, sleep, trading. All the best. Take care. Thank you so much.